Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this 26 by 16 silicone baking mat. Now these are so nice for any sort of prep or anything that you're doing, whether you're making a pizza, a pie, I mean, really anything. Because of this nice 0.7 millimeters thick, I mean, that is a nice thick thing. And the whole edge has all of your inches around it. So if you are doing something, like I've got some cookies here, that you wanted to make out, you can easily put them in your corners to figure out, your exact sizing that you're wanting to have. So that part's really nice. And as you see, it just cleans right up. I don't even have to have flour on there for it to not stick. So that does fantastic. But if you're making a little pie, this actually has the perfect little circle. So you can easily move your stuff around, smack it out, even make a little cookie cake. You can move all of this around and then pick it up, actually put it directly into the oven because this can go into the oven. So that is all great. Whenever you're done then, simply just wash it up. But it does have a couple of other features, which are these nice little charts on the side that tells you your Celsius and Fahrenheit as far as being really cool, really hot, all your temperatures off to the side. Now you can't use the scissors or anything on this, but you can use all those little pastry tools and everything, which would be fantastic. You have all your different grams, like these nice little cups and conversion charts are all a nice little addition. But whenever you're done, these simply just roll up however you want to roll it, after you wash it, of course, and keep it to use over and over again because of this nice size. It'd be great for any sort of baking use.